I fixed my entire budget in 10 minutes, and no, it wasn't using magic, it was using math. For years, budgeting always felt overwhelming. On my desk, you'll find too many loose papers, scattered notes, too many guesses, and way too much stress. So I decided to be the change and create and use the money order, and everything changed after that. In less than 10 minutes, I could clearly see where my money was going, what was holding me back, and exactly what needed to change. No fluff and just real numbers. Here's why it works. The money order isn't just one calculator, it's a fully connected system. Your budget connects to your debt connects to your savings connects to your investments. Everything works together, so nothing is overlooked. Using the budget calculator within the money order, I could see my income versus my expenses, understand how every dollar was allocated, separate my wants from my needs, and ensure every dollar had a purpose, no guesswork involved. The 7 calculators in the money order help me move from uncertainty to clarity by showing realistic savings potential, the most strategic approach to debt payoff, and a clear view of my financial future, both long-term and short-term. The clarity was game-changing. Whether you're new to budgeting, rebuilding, or leveling up financially, the money order meets you where you are and shows you your next move with clarity and confidence. If you're tired of feeling unsure about your money and ready to fix your budget fast, the money order is the tool you've been missing. Stop guessing, start understanding with the money order. So remember to stay disciplined, focused, and extra credit strong. I'm Alan with Extra Credit Financial Solutions, and if you found this helpful, follow for more quick lessons that will help you keep more of what you earn. Also, please comment or share with someone who needs a reminder. Thank you.